A while back, we evaluated a home in Stillwater that was showing significant signs of movement. The homeowners, a very kind couple, were worried about sloped floors inside the home and cracking and separation gaps on the exterior. During our evaluation, we discovered that many of the existing supports in the crawl space were either failing or improperly installed. On top of that, the home lacked adequate support between the center beam and the exterior stem walls. At first, the homeowners asked us to focus solely on the crawl space, since that was their biggest concern. We stabilized the area, and they were so impressed with the work, the professionalism of our crew, and the immediate improvement that they later called us back to stabilize the exterior as well. After everything was complete, they told us, "We've used OFS twice now, and they are always great to work with. The crew was efficient, put everything back afterwards, and the lifetime warranty is a big weight off of our shoulders as homeowners." That's the power of the critical stage. Even when homeowners choose to take repairs in steps, the right plan, built on trust, honesty, and proven results, provides lasting stability and peace of mind for years to come.